Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. All of you are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. I do believe that you are well, you are fine. By the grace of Allah, I am also fine. Today we shall talk about shirk. Yes, shirk. This is an Arabic word. We shall know shirk, its terminological meaning, its verbatim meaning or literal meaning, its proof according to the Quranic verse. Its legitimacy, or whether it is legal or not. Everything we will get in this class, and we shall also write down a small verse, a small Arabic ayat along with its meaning, and also we shall write down some information. So please take your script to note down some important things before starting our class. Now, let's get started from the topic shirk. Here, if you look at the board, then a shirk, yes, you can see a shirk. Shirk means to share anybody as a partner. To share anybody as a partner and equal partner. Please write down, what does shirk mean? If you are asked, what does shirk mean? Then you need to write down this content. Any one of these, there are some meaning, you need to write down any one in exam script, but now you should pick up all the contents. Shirk means to share anybody as a partner and equal partner. Shirk means to share anybody as a partner or equal partner. In the Islamic terminology, to consider anything, yes, please write down, to consider anything to be partner or sharer of the Almighty Allah is called shirk. To consider anything to be partner or sharer the Almighty Allah is called shirk. We know, we believe in Tawheed. We have already completed the lesson Tawheed and morality. Now, after that we have also completed kufur, right? Yes. Now shirk. Shirk is absolutely opposite to Tawheed. So also you need to note down this one. Shirk is absolutely opposite to Tawheed. Here I have given a diagram. Which opposite to shirk, or which one absolutely opposite to shirk? That is Tawheed. Or Tawheed is absolutely opposite to shirk. Tawheed is opposite to shirk and shirk is opposite to Tawheed. These two cannot be at a time or cannot be all together. Shirk and Tawheed cannot be all together, cannot be together, because it's absolutely opposite, contradictory, conflicting. So, it's clearly mentioned in your book, Shirk is absolutely opposite to Tawheed. Now we are going to write down the kinds of shirk. How many kinds of shirk are there, or types of shirk? You, the students, will write down the types of shirk. Now let's start writing. Shirk is mainly of three types. Please write down. How many types of shirk are there? Three types. Yes. Shirk is mainly of three types. First one is to associate anyone with Allah. To associate anyone with Allah. Number two, to associate Allah's attributes with someone. If we make equal of Allah, then it would be shirk, or will occur shirk by this task, by this deed. And to associate Allah's attributes with someone, Allah the Exalted has some attributive names and His virtues or virtuous names. These are called attributes. So these attributive names, if we share, if we make it equal to others, other human beings, other creations, if we compare to His attributes, then it would be shirk. And number three, to associate others in the ibadat of Allah. I think it's very clear. If we ibadat, or if we do others ibadat, if we offer ibadat to others instead of Allah or beside Allah, then that would be shirk. And also that would be termed as shirk. So I think number three is very clear. In ibadat, we cannot make a share, we cannot make a partner of Allah the Exalted. If we do that, then that would be shirk, or we will commit shirk in this regard. Now, why should we avoid shirk, or why should we not do shirk? Because shirk is extremely tyranny, it's zulm. Yes, according to the Quranic verse, we have come to know that shirk is a extremely tyranny. Okay, let's know the verse of this topic, and let's try to write down also along with its meaning and its information. Here, Allah the Exalted proclaims very clearly, Inna shirka la dhulmun azim. Inna shirka la dhulmun azim. Inna shirka la dhulmun azim means surely shirk is a serious tyranny or extremely tyranny. Surely shirk is a serious tyranny or extremely tyranny. Where does this verse belong? Which surah does this verse belong? This verse belongs to Surah Luqman. Yes, Surah Luqman, verse number 13. Please write down. This verse belongs to Surah Luqman, verse number 13. This verse proves that shirk is a great sin, and it is also mentioned in another parts of different hadith and tafsir in Quran, in the Quran, or tafsir of Holy Quran, that actually there are many other sins or committing wrongdoings may be forgiven or may be pardoned, but the sin which we commit by sharing Allah, by sharing ibadat, I mean Allah's attributes, names, or by doing or by occurring these three types or three conditions, will not be pardoned at all. Shirk will not be pardoned at all, or the sin of shirk will not be pardoned at all. It is quite clearly mentioned. So, my dear students, I think you could understand the class in a befitting way, and you boys are earnestly requested to write down this small verse 10 times with meaning, so that you can write down Arabic and you can be fluent in writing Arabic for future time. So please don't forget to write down 10 times with meaning, and don't forget to submit in my comment box. Thank you very much once again for watching this video and for joining this class. Thanks a lot.